Hey y'all, tell me this. Are you using AI? Are you using chatbots? Are you taking advantage of these technological tools? Or are you just thinking it's an opportunity for plagiarism and using a robot to write something for you that's not very well written and doesn't sound like a human? Okay, well, let me give you some options on how to use AI and chatbots in a way that's really going to help you in the B2B space. Because it's not like you have to just use it for writing emails that you can't craft on your own. Not at all. I mean, when you think about these AI chatbots, they've got 24/7 availability. They can do language translations. They can handle initial lead and qualifications, initial contact. They can do some personalized questionnaire information. They can do appointment scheduling. You can put them on your website to help you with routing people through to a human when that needs to happen. They can be great with integrating with CRM systems. They can do multilingual support, and they're not worried about time zones. So you've got a lot of options when it comes to AI and chatbots that you might be missing out on. So don't pass up this chance to integrate this technology and take advantage of it. As humans, we're not going to be replaced by AI, but we could be replaced by people who are using AI better than us. So use the technology. Don't keep typing on a typewriter when a computer is still available to you. Use these things to grow your business and keep on branding.